Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music on Capcut. So I'm going to add a video that I want to edit, and I'm going to show you how to add music into this video. So as you can see here, the video doesn't have any audio or music, and I'm going to add the music. Okay, so first just click on the add audio option at the beginning of the video. For example, you want to start the music there, and then just you can choose whether you want to add the sounds from the Capcut apps, or you can just want to add an sound effect, or you can also extract an audio from a certain video, or you can also record the audio right away, or maybe you can just use the voiceover. You can just use this record feature. But if you want to add some music, you can just choose sound, and then here at the sound you can also choose whether you want to add the music from Capcut, or you can also choose the music from your device by clicking this, and you'll find the list of audio from your phone or from your device. Like this, you can just click on the plus icon to add them to your videos. But today I'm going to use the sound from Capcut, so I'm going to choose probably the healing category. And then if you want to you want to listen to the music first, you can just click on the music like this. Okay, I like this, and I want to add it to my video. Just click on the plus icon, and then you can just play the video to preview how the sound will look like with the video. I think it matched the video. And when you're done, you can just click on the arrow icon to download the edited video with the music within it. Okay, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment. And if you like the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.